Today I got a Realme 10 Pro. Let's see what is inside the box. You will get a pin to open the SIM slot. Also the user guide and warranty info booklet. There is a free soft gel phone cover inside too. 33-watt Supervolt charger and USB Type-C cable. Now let's see the outside of the phone. This is the bottom speaker, Type-C charging port, bottom mic sensor, and 3.5mm earphone jack. At the right side of the phone, this is the power button and volume up-down button. The power button also functions as fingerprint sensor. There are mic sensor and speaker on the top. Equipped with 108MP main camera. The SIM slot able you to put in 2 SIM card, or you can put in 1 SIM card and SD card up to 1TB storage. Look at the light effect from the cover. The color I choose is Nebula Blue. Anyone think like me? Comment #Team Nebula Blue in the comment below. The Realme 10 Pro is using Realme UI 4.0 and Android 13. Snapdragon 695 5G chipset processor, with extendable virtual RAM up to 8GB. I always customize the screen so that the phone feels more personal. There are many wallpapers included. Example like these live wallpapers that should make your phone screen more lively. You can customize your icons for Realme 10 Pro. From adjusting icon size, adjusting app name size. What I like the most is the custom option here. You can choose the shape of the icons, adjust the foreground size, and the whole icon size. If you like same color, you can match wallpaper color. I like colorful icons so I off it. Let's play a match in Call of Duty. With the 200% Ultra Boom dual speakers, sure give you an immersive audio. With its 120Hz frame rate, the gameplay should run as smooth. Let's rest a while by playing music. And you got rickrolled. Let's not forget to check the camera too. For the photo option, it can have up to 6 times zoom. It have more than 10 filters built in. For the portrait mode, you can adjust the depth of field. The lower the number, the blurrier the background. The 33-watt Supervolt charge has you covered and is said to get 50% charge in 29 minutes. Overall, it is a good phone for gaming, music, photo shoot. And it is under Rm 1300. It has 3 color options: Hyperspace, Nebula Blue, and Dark Matter. You can visit our official website kts.my and search for Realme 10 Pro for more information. Thanks for watching the video. Like and subscribe us for more video. See you next time.